Hello, dear friends. My name is Sofya Dorinskaya. I am a doctor and the head of the Center for Medical Information. Today we will talk about the following vitamins that are necessary to keep your eyes healthy. Vitamins for the eyes. And today we will talk about vitamin P and vitamin K. Vitamin P or RUTIN is a companion to vitamin C, and vitamin P plays a particularly specific role in the functioning of the body's capillary system. Vitamin P is absorbed only in the presence of at least traces of vitamin C in the body. And it is important to note that when there is absolutely no vitamin C present in the body, naturally, vitamin P simply does not work at all. Consequently, all of these various health problems caused specifically by the total lack of vitamin P begin to gradually appear. So one might wonder, where exactly is vitamin P utilized within the specialized field of ophthalmology? So let's take a look at the eye. And in ophthalmology, it is used to address problems with hemorrhages. Dr. Mathewson used vitamin P in 2 cases. This was a 53-year-old man. He had a hemorrhage in the retina of his eye. Here we can see the retina. Right here is the retina, yes? He had a hemorrhage in the retina of his eye, and there was also a 56-year-old woman. She had a hyphema. A hyphema is when there is a visible level of blood inside the eye. Right here, you can see the blood level within the eye. This is also one type of hemorrhage. And in both cases, by using vitamin P, he achieved a complete cure. That is, in both cases, there was a full recovery. The next vitamin is vitamin K. Vitamin K was discovered by the Danish scientist Dam. He observed this in chicks. When the young chicks' daily feed was completely and systematically deprived of vitamin K, they soon developed numerous and severe internal hemorrhages, characterized by extensive bleeding into the subcutaneous tissue and muscles. And the essential process of their blood clotting slowed down quite significantly. These essential and vital biological functions of vitamin K in effectively stopping excessive bleeding are also frequently and commonly used during various types of delicate eye surgeries. And 4 doctors, Soviet doctors Rabinovich, Litinsky, Kavrushin, and Luftmann, used vitamin K during eye surgery. And at first, they reported that 16 out of 17 patients underwent successful surgeries without any capillary bleeding. And after some time, they reported on 70 patients to whom they administered vitamin K in preventive doses, and their surgeries went very well. But to clarify, vitamin K is used in obstetrics to first of all prevent capillary bleeding, including in newborns. Vitamin K is also used in the treatment of bed sores, ulcers, burns, frostbite, and so on. In other words, anything related to the capillary system. These are the 2 vitamins, vitamin P and vitamin K. With this, I am concluding the series of talks called Vitamins for the Eyes. The information is important, but not as extensive as it was at the beginning. So that's everything we have. As they say, there's nothing more. If you want to learn more about vitamins in general, we have brought back for publication the unique books by Professor Zlebsky. Each of them contains sections on vitamin K, vitamin P, and of course on vitamin C, A, B3, the B group, and so on and so forth. These are truly unique books that we have revived for publication. You can purchase these books. If you have your own situation that you don't know how to resolve, you need to contact us, and then you will go through a program to eliminate nutrient deficiencies, which will help your body stay healthy for many years. Because vitamin deficiencies are deadly, and hypovitaminosis leads to diseases and ultimately to vitamin deficiencies. That is, you can go through this program. Also, we have groups on social networks. We have groups on all social networks: VKontakte, Odnoklasniki, and Facebook. The group is called Evidence-Based Medicine. Please join these groups. We have quite serious content. I create it myself. I don't make silly presentations. In other words, everything posted there is to the point, including a quote every week, sometimes more than one, from a book by the Lepsky professors. It's a complete thought that you can already apply that can help you understand something about the current situation and in this way solve your own problems. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to the channel. Let me remind you that when our channel reaches 500,000 subscribers, we will give away 3 sets of these wonderful books, and they will be sent anywhere in the world where our winners are located. Share this video on social media. I know that for many people it was a revelation that vitamins can solve quite serious eye problems, because nowadays doctors only offer surgery. But it turns out that you can still try to do something therapeutically. So if you find this information useful, please share it with your friends. Perhaps this information will help them and improve or even save their eyesight. Thank you very much for your attention. All the best. Goodbye.